Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily, and you are watching On the Hill. And it is February 16th, 2023. It is a beautiful Thursday afternoon out here. Out here in Arrowhead, we're on the western side of Beaver Creek, right outside of Edwards. And we are just having a blast today, folks. It snowed about 2 inches in the last 24 hours, 7 in the last 5 days. Not a whole lot, but when you consider a 60-inch base for mid-February, we're doing pretty darn good. Ooh, I see a little stash right here. Let's go check this out. It's a little tighter in these parts. Sorry for the little biff right there. We are cruising through. I'm just gonna stop. You don't need to look at this. Check this out. Got a really good stash out here considering that it's about 2 in the afternoon. This will be the last of the snow that we see until about Sunday. And then from Sunday to Thursday, we should see some pretty consistent snow just about daily. Somewhere between 1 to 4 inches. I think the heaviest day might be Wednesday currently on the forecast, but as you know, in Colorado, things could change at any moment. Folks, if you ever headed out to this Arrowhead area, it's really nice. Like I said, it's on the Edwards side, so if you feel like getting some shopping in at the Riverwalk, maybe catch a movie. It's really a nice area to be. Easy access from Bachelor Gulf. There's a lot of fun space to play with. Some of you may know, operating with the new GoPro. I got the 11 Black Mini. I think it's pretty sweet so far. Got myself a fresh selfie stick for it too, because the old gimbal on the old one died out. But hey, after a year of wear and tear doing this, can't blame it. Well, I'll let you all off here. I got an empty slope ahead of me. It is a beautiful afternoon. I'm going to take it all in. So this is Sean Naylor with the Vail Daily. I want to thank you once again for watching On the Hill. We'll see you next time.